Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be going over Tropical Storm Paulette, Rene, upcoming possible Sally and Teddy, and much more. Let's get into it. This is an Atlantic wide view, and as you can see, Invest 94L is up by South Carolina, and will be heading towards South Carolina and North Carolina, and currently has a 20-40% chance marked by the NHC. I personally have it a little bit lower at 1040. So, and for disturbance 1, the NHC has marked it at 060 and I have marked it at 070. No, 1070. And then we have Tropical Storm Rene and Paulette. These are my track forecasts and intensity guidance. I am going higher on both of them than the NHC, and I will get into that a little bit why. So I actually think both storms are stronger than the NHC currently has them at. I'm going with 50 miles per hour for Paulette and 45 miles per hour for Rene, as the ADT system, or satellite estimate system, for NOAA does have 50 miles per hour for Paulette and 45 for Rene, so that is what I am going with. The reason I have it stronger is I do believe that due to this being slightly stronger, it will intensify a little bit quicker. Especially with the conditions for Rene and Paulette at least being slightly favorable and not nothing that would really kill off the storm. This is satellite imagery of Paulette just before nightfall over it. So it is not current satellite imagery, but this is just before nightfall got over Paulette. This is around 1945Z, or UTC. This is the cloud tops for Paulette. And as you can see, it has really blown up convection between then and 35Z. Well, 0.35Z. As you can see, its convection is really blown up within the cloud tops, and it is really getting organized. You can see a lot of those negative 60s and even a couple negative 70s and 80s in there. So Paulette does have quite a convective burst going on with it. On the contrary, Rene, doesn't, at 1955Z, it didn't really have that impressive of cloud tops or convection, and it has waned a little bit since then. But I still believe that this will intensify to a hurricane status at least, and I think eventually this could go on, not necessarily very soon, but eventually go on to be a Category 3 hurricane, possibly even a 4, although I believe it is more likely that it would be a 3. Now let's look at Invest 94L. It has wind speeds of 25 miles per hour currently, a pressure of 1,012 millibars, I know it says 2, but I meant 12, and a location of 29.9 degrees north and 67.6 degrees west. I do not expect Invest 94L to form, although it might, so anyone in South Carolina and North Carolina should monitor the progress of the system. Quick notes on Rene and Paulette before we end this video is that I do believe Paulette could eventually become a Category 3 as well after the 1 week mark. Not anytime necessarily soon, but I do think these both have the potential to be major hurricanes, just not necessarily affecting land. I believe the same for Disturbance 1, although despite me saying this, I am not saying at all that they will, nor that I think they do. I am just saying that I think they have the possibility of that happening. And of course there's Invest 94L, which I think its maximum peak will be around 40, 45, maybe 50 miles per hour if it forms. But we have seen these storms overperform what we expected this year, so you just never know anymore with the 2020 Atlantic season. I will be doing another video update on Rene and Paulette tomorrow, so please hit the So please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content and updates on these storms. Thank you guys for watching. Signing off, Hurricane 7.